For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. A Coimbatore-based robotics engineer has developed a robot prototype that collects throat swab samples. The prototype helps in eliminating human intervention while collecting throat swab samples. Karthi Velayudham has named it COVID-19 Smart Swab Robot. Karthi claimed that he has developed the prototype with just 2,000 rupees. On average, the COVID-19 Smart Swab robot takes 2 minutes to collect throat swab sample from people. It can be operated through a smartphone with the help of an app. It is a prototype developed at 2,000 rupees. It will take 2 minutes to collect samples. Currently, swab is collected manually. It is dangerous and can spread COVID-19. Hundreds of health workers who conduct COVID-19 tests have also contracted COVID-19. The prototype is small in size and can be used in hospitals and mobile vans. The prototype is built on a metal rod and it is equipped with a sanitizer and swabs. This equipment can prove to be instrumental in testing people in containment areas. Velayudham also said that they need the government's help to develop the model further. If the government supports us and increases the test speed in our country using machine learning, and within 1 minute we can collect samples from 6 patients and the swab collection nozzle will be sanitized automatically. It is fully automated and can be used in private and government hospitals and mobile vans. The prototype comes with a software and it can be operated using a mobile app. People who undergo testing just have to collect a swab from the robot and put it in a container. Tamil Nadu is the country's third worst affected state with over 82,275 COVID-19 cases. Tamil Nadu still has 35,659 active cases and the number of cases is only increasing by the day. Tamil Nadu has conducted over 10.5 lakh COVID-19 tests ever since the pandemic broke out in the state. Tamil Nadu is conducting over 30,000 COVID-19 tests per day. The Tamil Nadu government is planning to conduct street-wise testing to contain COVID-19. The state has 89 testing centers, 47 government and 42 private facilities. Adopting technology to fight COVID-19 will reduce the risk of health workers contracting COVID-19, and this could prove to be a step towards that.